So, a common question is often, how do sensors and automated systems work together? Often in an exam, they'll give you a scenario such as a chemical factory, some automatic doors, or a greenhouse. And we have to apply the process of how sensors take readings and generate some sort of action. And this is normally anything between a 5 to 7 mark question. So let's have a look. The example that we're going to use is a greenhouse. So the first thing that happens, step number one, is the sensors are activated. So a greenhouse would use a variety of different sensors. So for example, a temperature sensor, a gas sensor, a pH sensor, and possibly a moisture sensor. The signal is converted then to digital using an analog to digital converter. Remember, a sensor takes analog readings. So in order for the computer to take action, it must be converted to digital. The sensor then sends the signal to the microprocessor. The microprocessor analyzes data. So in the example of a greenhouse, there would be optimum temperature, there would be optimum water levels, optimum gas levels. And what that will then do is it will compare the sensor reading to the acceptable range or the optimal range. And then if it falls outside of this range, then some output would be activated. So for example, if a temperature sensor took a reading and it was too cold or it fell below the acceptable temperature levels, then what would happen is maybe some heating or would come on, or maybe the window would close. So that's how a sensor interacts with an automated system.